You haven't seen hustle until you've seen the cream. This is one of the busiest breakfast places in Houston, a bustling hotspot that all started because two people fell in love.
So we both worked for Boston Chicken, which is now Boston Market, 100 years ago. I was interested in her, and I felt maybe she was a little interested in me.
Well, she told me it was love at first sight.
Yeah.
Just something about his smile in his eyes and how he carried himself.
Their mutual love of restaurant life helped seal their bond.
Just the people, the excitement, coming up with new dishes.
I think we feed off of each other really, really well.
We do.
Stacy and Brock added a new chapter to their love story when they opened Pecan Creek Grille in 2011.
I think Pecan Creek just offers a great family atmosphere.
Melt-in-your-mouth breakfast plates are whipped up all day here. But come early. Service stops at 2. There's good reason for that. His name is Colton.
When we decided to do this on our own, it was really important that family time be at the center of it all. We also wanted to make sure that our son knew his parents.
Being able to get done every day between 2 and 3 frees up our time to be with our son.
They just make you feel like it's home.
I just love the community here and how everyone's like family.
The food has that homey comfort feeling too. Sweet banana pecan brioche French toast, supersized stacks of pancakes, oozing with sweet syrup. These are for real.
That is the real size of the pancakes. That is the buttermilk pancakes, and we'll bake any fresh fruit or nuts into them that you want. We'll bake bacon in them, we'll bake our granola in them.
Pancakes and bacon. It's the only thing that I eat.
The savory dishes will make your mouth drop too. The hearty New Mexican omelet is jam-packed with oodles of flavor.
9-hour slow-roasted pulled pork, our take on a really authentic green chili sauce.
The omelet is fantastic.
So are the decadent shrimp and jalapeno cheese grits, topped with irresistible pecan smoked peppered bacon.
Shrimp and grits for breakfast.
For breakfast?
Very popular weekend dish.
Healthy salads play a starring role at Pecan Creek. This one's chock full of vibrant greens, tangy feta cheese, mixed berries, and those sweet Texas pecans.
I really like the cranberries in it and the strawberries. It makes it like really good.
Brock has a soft spot for healthy options. He started on his own weight loss journey January 1st.
95 pounds.
95 pounds?
Yeah, I just set up a program for myself where I ate no more than 1,100 calories a day. I ate all my breakfasts here.
Well, you make a very good case for the importance of breakfast.
Yeah.
To have that kind of success, he did have to skip out on one of the most unique bites on Pecan Creek's menu, the homemade chorizo sausage.
And it took me about 5 years to develop the recipe, and I think we've got it pretty well perfected.
The sausage starts with a colorful mix of aromatic spices, ancho chilies, roasted garlic, and fiery chili arboles pump up the heat and the flavor. It's all mixed with fresh ground pork.
Did you all grind in-house?
We grind it in-house, absolutely.
We're making sausage.
We are making, so this is the sausage making, that's right. I'm getting in with my hands. This is the way we do it. Yeah. So. This is the only way you're really going to get all that pork infused with all of the spices.
That savory sausage shows up in a lot of Pecan Grille's dishes, like their signature huevos con chorizo.
We serve it with a little bit of our homemade refried beans and then a smaller portion of our fresh hash browns.
You call that small?
That's the small portion of the hash browns. We want you to waddle out.
Whoa, that is phenomenal. You need to sell this, like, to the stores.
Maybe we should open a restaurant.
Maybe you should.
Yeah.
Brock and Stacy's fun-loving sense of humor is just as important to Pecan Creek as the food.
Yeah, we just like to serve food in a fun and comfortable environment, and it's a crazy business. So you gotta be a little crazy.
Might as well have a sense of humor, right?
Yeah, if you don't have a sense of humor, we're probably gonna run you off.
But if you've got one, bring it along. You'll make friends in line.
It's loud and fun, and everybody seems to be having a good time.
We love it because we've been coming here 7 years. It's like going to Cheers.